Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are well. So friends, I am going to share a beautiful thought today that I just turned my loss into a six figure. I was in 50,000 loss, rather 52,000 loss. In intraday only I have turned the game and made a profit in six figures. So my friend, I just want to show you that at first I went long, but I was utterly wrong, and then I shorted at the exact position and it turned into a huge profit. So why I went long in intraday and then again why I shorted, I'll just explain you the logic over here. So on the lower panel you can see this is a customized you can say indicator that I have coded in this trading view. So my friend, I have drawn this trend line, this upward sloping trend line. You can see this is from 17th September 2020, and I extended it to the present day, that means today. So whenever I saw that price came towards this line, price exactly bounced back. Today what I saw that there was a breakout on the upside. Let me draw the line. So here I went long and I was utterly wrong. I went wrong badly here because this is an ascending triangle, you can see. So in an ascending triangle, price makes higher low and higher highs. So today it gave a breakout around this candle, that is 142, and I went long over here, clear. But price didn't go much higher from this position, though I kept my stop loss in this zone. That means approximately the low of this particular line, that means it is approx 11560 was the stop loss level, and I went long around 11575, so 15 points stop loss. So I saw that after the price gave a breakout, it hovered in this tight range. Let me draw a box or rectangle over here for your better understanding. You can see in this zone price hovered, correct. So price did not go up, so I waited, and as you know, I always follow my rules. I don't trade as per the wish or discretionary trades I don't take. So I always try to stick with my rules. So I didn't square off my positions until and unless it hit my stop loss. So at 11,560 my stop loss got hit, and then again I went short. Where I went short, I'll show you, and why I went short. Now let me draw another line in my on my indicator. So exactly in this position you can see that my indicator gave a breakdown. I have drawn a circle also for your better understanding. I am just moving my cursor in this zone, and you see around this candle, that means this one, 214, I got the signal, but still I did not square off my position because I was waiting for the stop loss to get hit. Now when my stop loss got hit, I exactly shorted around this zone. Shorted price drastically within few candles. It came down. You can see that from this 11,560 the price came down to this level, that is approx 11,450. So it was a clear 100 points, my friend. So I went in futures and I was also in my puts as well. So because I was having a lot of conviction, because see at that moment a few news also came up. What are the news? The news that came up is basically that Indian soldiers have targeted and they have blasted few Pak bunkers along the LAC borders, sorry, LOC borders, not LAC. That news, and along with that there was also a news that FTAC has sold some kind of basket trading. So those two news came up and my setup also gave a sell signal, so the conviction increased exponentially. So I went heavily shorted with futures and puts, and I squared off around this candle. That means I couldn't take the whole position. I mean not the exact low. I shorted around this zone. So let me draw it. Yes, it is approx 11,470. Then also it's 90 points, my friend, from 11,560. Correct. Then I squared off my position and I turned my loss, which was over here, due to my long, and made a profit in 6 figures, my friend. Now let me show you Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty just fell. I mean, it was bleeding in just a few seconds. It just dragged heavily. Let me just open Bank Nifty. See, in Bank Nifty also I got a beautiful trade, though I did not trade in Bank Nifty. I was only with Nifty. Here, my friend, in Bank Nifty I got my sell signal in this candle. Let me just use another vertical tool, that is this particular candle. So I got my sell signal over here. You can see, because my setup got the signal and it has shown me that price is going to come down. Get ready. See, price came down, I mean after few candles, not exactly from these candles, but my coded, my self created indicator gave a early signal in this candle. So I could have shorted over here also. You can see that from this position, that means 22,300 to it made a low of 21,800 or 780. So you can understand, my friend, how many points I could have gained in Bank Nifty, and if I could have traded in Bank Nifty also, then I could have gained much more than being only traded in Nifty. Though I don't repent. So those two news, that is FTS is selling, and along with that our Indian Army blasted few Pak bunkers. So those two news just triggered this drastic selling in both the indices. Now let me show you one stock that I recommended 3 stocks yesterday, that is Lupin, Quick Heal and BSE Limited. Let me show you Lupin today. I told you that it was a good position to buy, and yes, I was already long in Lupin from beforehand. See, my friend, today it gave gap up opening. So I was long, actually I was long in this candle when it gave a breakout. So I was waiting for it to give a breakout from this last swing high. So today it opened with a gap up and I posted my target. If you could have seen, I don't know whether you have watched my last video or not. If not, please watch that last video. I'll just share the link in the description box. In that video I mentioned that exactly at 1088 it would be the first target, and see, my friend, it closed exactly at that level. It made a high of around 1120, but it closed around 1088. That is my first target. So I met my first target. Now I am pretty sure that it is going to hold this level. It is not going to come below this gap. So then also it will come a little bit on the downside, but it would not breach on the downside from this position, from this high of this particular candle. It would not break the high of this candle, that's for sure. So it would come up little bit, but then again it would be a good position to re-enter in this stock again, because my target is quite high in this particular ticker, or in this particular counter. You can say my next target is around 1190, which I have already drawn, and then it's 1270. Now let me show you the Quick Heal. Quick Heal is also hovering around this zone. It has not yet given a breakout from this particular level. So my target is 173. Please keep tracking this particular counter as well. Now let me show you BSE Limited. Same for BSE, it is still holding this level, that is 559, and I told you that it should not come below this particular channel, which I explained in my video, that there was a downward sloping channel. It should not come below this channel. It would hold around this 500 level. So on the downside, I mean, it's a counter where you should buy at dips basically. So this particular stock also has a very good opportunity to give you great return in the coming months. So my target is 646, the first target, then gradually as you proceed on the upside it's 784. So as of now, I just wanted to show this particular things. Please keep watching my videos and share it with your near and dear ones, and in the next videos I'll share a few other stocks also for the next week, and I'll give my view for next week as well. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.